Guys, for today's video, ang dami ng mga online banks. Mga banks na nag-shift ng operation online, mga ganon. And ang gaganda ng mga offer nila, yung mga benefits. Pero meron bang parang isang page na mag-compare ng bawat isa? Yun ang gagawin natin ngayon. I-compare natin yung mga known and magagandang benefits na bank side by side to each other according to couple of categories. Number 1, their interest. All about their interest. Number 2, all about their bank transfers. Number 3, all about their withdrawal system. And number 4, all about their security. So yan ang pag-usapan natin ngayon. Kung gusto nyo malaman yan, yung side-by-side comparison na yan, well, samahan nyo ako. Sit back and let's discuss. Coming right up. Hi guys, this is Pat and you're in Pat Quintos Review TV. So, if you're new here in my channel, I do reviews about personal finance na meron akong experience at ginawa ko na yun ng videos and playlists. Makikita nyo dito sa taas at kung bago ka dito sa channel ko, you may want to consider subscribing to my channel. Gaya ng nasabi ko kanina, marami tayong na-review about online banks and digital banks, diba? But, never pa talaga tayo nagkaroon ng side-by-side comparison para makapag-decide kayo if ever man na naghahanap kayo ng banks or like naka-settle na kayo sa isang bank pero hindi nyo pa pala nakikita side-by-side na meron pang mas maganda dun sa bank na ginagamit nyo. So, yun yung purpose natin today. Okay, so simulan na natin ang side-by-side comparison. Okay, so unahin natin ang all about interest. So, sa interest, how much is their base interest? If they are doing an interest boost through mission, referral, etc. Is there a limit to their promo interest? And then, pang-apat, how is their interest being credited? Ayan. So, simulan na natin. Interest per annum, base interest. So, ito makikita natin. Maya Bank is at 3.5%. GoTime is 4%, Union Digital Bank is at 3%, Tonic is at 1%, OF Bank is at 0.05%, Uno Bank is at 4.25%, C-Bank is at 4.5%, Como Bank is at 2.5%, and Discartec is at 6.25%. And then we have the traditional bank which is less than 1%. Dito sa listahan natin, ang may pinakamataas na base interest ay si Discartec at 6.25% interest. Followed by Own Bank at 6% and then C-Bank at 4.5%. Next is, meron ba tayong magagawa to boost the interest, the base interest na meron tayo? Okay, ito nakahiwalay na yung mga banks na sinasabi ko. So for interest boost, nandyan ang Maya and Own Bank. So Maya, if you're going to do a mission, and then Own Bank if you're going to do referrals. And then for those banks na walang interest boost, nandyan ang GoTime, Union Digital Bank, Tonic, OF Bank, Uno Bank, C-Bank, Como Bank, Discartec, and syempre ang mga traditional banks. So kung mapapansin natin dito, currently si Maya at saka si Own Bank lang ang nagbibigay ng boosted interest. Next question. Is there a limit sa mga interest nila? Okay, so nakahati na lang yan. Makikita nyo sa yes, nandyan ang Maya Bank, C-Bank, Own Bank, and Discartec. Sa Maya Bank, ang limit ng boosted interest is at up to 100,000 pesos only. And then, in excess of 100,000, nasa 3.5% up to 5 million. So, anything excess ng 5 million, wala na siyang interest. Kay C-Bank naman, it's up to 350,000 pesos yung 4.5% na interest. And then yung interest will be 3% in excess of the 350,000. Kay Own Bank naman, so it really depends on the vouchers. Like, eto, meron ng voucher, additional 6%, pero up to 50,000 pesos lang. And lastly, we have Discartec at 49,500, yung limit ng 6.25%. In excess that, wala ng interest. Last about interest is how the interest is being credited. Okay, so dalawa yan. We have the daily and the monthly. So, hati na lang ulit yan. Sa daily, nandyan ang Maya Bank, Uno Bank, C-Bank, and Own Bank. Sa monthly naman, nandyan ang GoTime, Union Digital, Tonic, OF Bank, Como Bank, Discartec, and syempre, traditional banks. And also sa traditional banks, it also varies din. May ibang banks na monthly, may ibang banks na quarterly. So, yan, nakita nyo na yung side-by-side comparison ng mga banks in terms of their interest. Next question, how about their transfer fees? May fee ba yan o may bayad? So, Let's check it out. Yung listahan ng may mga bayad, so nandyan ang Maya Bank, Uno Digital Bank, OF Bank, Como Bank, Discartec, and then Traditional Bank. Sa mga may free naman, nandyan ang Tonic, Uno Bank, GoTime, C-Bank, and Own Bank. Pero guys, just to highlight, kay GoTime, meron lang 3 free bank transfer. And after that, magbabayad na kayo ng 8 pesos per bank transfer. Same thing then with C-Bank na up to 15 times lang per week ang bank transfer. Now, let's move on sa withdrawal system. How do we withdraw money from those banks? Okay, una, pag-usapan natin yung physical ATM. Pangalawa, yung kung may bayad yung ATM. And then, pangatlo, virtual ATM. Okay, so magkahiwalay na lang ulit for physical, kung meron ba silang physical ATM. Ang mga merong banks na may physical ATM ay ang Maya Bank, GoTime, Tonic, OF Bank, Como Bank, and then syempre mga traditional bank. Sa mga walang physical ATM, nandyan ang Union Digital Bank, Uno Bank. However, soon lalabas na rin ang ATM nila. Ang C-Bank, ang Own Bank, and ang Discartec. So sa mga may physical ATM, meron bang bayad yung mga ATMs kapag kukunin mo sa kanila? Okay. Dun sa listahan natin kanina, si Maya, yes and no. So makakakuha kayo ng ATM card using a mission o pwede na lang kayo mag-purchase at around 200 pesos per card. And then, si Tonic Bank, pag purchase kayo sa kanya, 300 pesos. Kay OF Bank, 150 pesos. And kay Como Bank, nasa 200 pesos. And syempre, with traditional banks, pag nagbukas kayo ng bank sa kanila, free ang ATM. Pero pag nawala, papareplace kayo. Then may bayad. Okay, next thing is, meron ba silang mga virtual ATM? For banks na may virtual ATM, nandyan ang Maya Bank, Tonic, Uno Bank, Own Bank, and then Como Bank. Sa mga wala namang virtual ATM, nandyan ang GoTime, Union Digital Bank, OF Bank, C-Bank, Discartec, and then syempre ang mga traditional banks. Yan yung side-by-side comparison ng mga kilala nating mga dinidiscuss nating banks in terms of how you are going to withdraw money from those banks. Last na category natin is security. So, paano ba ang pagla-login dito? Ano yung security features enabled dito? So, ito na lang yung table natin. For Maya Bank, nandun ang face recognition, fingerprint, and password. So, yung face recognition and fingerprint, that's what we call biometrics. Okay, sa GoTime naman, yes, ganun din, biometrics. Kay Union Digital Banks, may biometrics din siya. Kay Tonic, may biometrics din siya. Kay OF Bank, sadly, username and password ang gagamitin mo. Uno Bank, they're also using biometrics. C-Bank, also using biometrics and mobile PIN. And then Own Bank, you log in through your cellphone number and then your OTP. And then Como Bank, may biometrics din siya. Discartec naman, using only PIN. Though, hindi ko kasi makita dun sa app mismo, pero security feature lang sa akin is through PIN. So kung merong biometrics with Discartec, please let me know sa comment section sa baba. Okay, traditional banks, ganun din. Meron din naman password and biometrics. Ayan. So, nakita nyo na yung side-by-side comparison ng mga banks na na-review na natin. For our question of the day, if you are going to rank these 4 categories, ano yung hinahanap nyo dito sa mga banks na to? Interest ba? Bank transfer fees ba? Kung meron ba siyang physical or virtual card? And paano yung security features na enabled dito sa mga bank? Let me know sa comment section sa baba at may chance kayong manalo ng 1,000 pesos sa ating weekly GCash giveaway. And syempre, huwag nyo kalimutang maglagay ng hashtag Road to 100k subs para sa chance nyo namang manalo ng cellphone sa ating monthly cellphone giveaway until we reach the 100k subscriber milestone. Yun lang muna po for today's video, but before we end this video, mag-shoutout po muna tayo at shoutout kay at Justin Gulciano 51. Sabi niya, shoutout sa next video mo, Lods. Hashtag Road to 100k sub. At Justin Gulciano 51, shoutout po sa inyo at maraming salamat sa panonood at pagsuporta ng aking mga videos. Thank you so much. I hope you like this video. Leave a thumbs up, and if not, wala nang problema dyan, but continue to support me by subscribing to my channel by clicking the subscribe button and also the bell button sa tabi ng subscribe para makareceive kayo ng latest notification sa lahat ng upload ko. Again guys, this is Pat Quinto and you're in Pat Quinto's Review TV. Bye-bye!